How to turn off dark mode on YouTube app on phone. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your YouTube application. Then tap on your profile icon. After that, from your top right, go to settings. Now, go to general from your account section. After that, from here, you will see several options. What you will have to do is tap on appearance. And here you will get three different options that are use device theme, light theme, and dark theme. For now, my YouTube is in device theme. So if I change my device theme to dark mode, it will automatically be converted to dark mode and vice versa. But if you want to choose or set a specific theme just for YouTube, you can do it like this as well. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.